Hi, I'm Eric Dean. I'm a client patient at AlviArmani, and I'm here today to talk to you about my wonderful experience that I've had. The factors that helped me choose AlviArmani were based on the facts, really. I'm from Montreal, Canada, so what I had to work with was a website. Looking through all the before and after pictures and testimonials and videos, there was a continuity and a consistency that they had, a naturalness and undetectability. That really showed me professionalism and some good results. So I called in. I had multiple talks with Eric over time. He walked me through the process and my decision was made. It was pretty easy to make. My procedure day was very smooth. Like anything, you get a little bit nervous naturally. I guess it's the mysteries that, you don't know how it's going to turn out or how it's going to go. So they did kind of brief me on how natural and simple it will be. There was several hours here, had some excellent food, watched some movies. It was just like hanging out with friends, really. The team, people that work there are very happy, enthusiastic, positive. They're all very, very professional. They care about you. And this is a pattern that I've talked to other patients and seen the testimonials. The whole process was something pretty incredible. And I was very happy, and I'm actually quite proud that I've done this. With my new hairline now, I could do pretty much anything. Whether it be parting it down the middle, 3/4 one side or the other side, straight up, or slicking it back. It's giving me a lot of options and flexibility. My experience with AlviArmani, the new results and how it's helped with my acting career is that it has added a little extra pep in my step. I could say definitely that if there's a role for me to play that they need a man with hair, well, I'm the guy now.